Hey guys, I'm Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. This video involves this Dell laptop right here, and a screwdriver set. Now this laptop right here, I got from my uncle on account of the darn thing. It's broken. The cause of the malfunction is beyond me, but what better thing to do than to tear it apart, see what kind of delectable goodies we can get out of it, and see what we can use them with. So, let's get started. Alright, let's see here. Now, thankfully, I finally have Torx, although the stinking thing, it's still not all the Torx sizes. Goes all the way up to, what does it say here? T20, so is that the biggest or the smallest? Who knows? But anyways, luckily, the casement screws are Phillips. So, thankfully, all you need is your tiny little Phillips, and let's just give that a tester. Yeah, that'll do. So, we'll just start taking these out. Magnet too. Oh, come on. Get in there. There we go. Can you see that right there? Yeah, there you go. Nice! Already starting to see some components. We have some SODIMMs right here. Okay. Of course they go and pull snappery nonsense on us again. Let's give this a try. Oh. This actually might not be that bad. Cheeseless bugger. Right there. Of course, my Phillips stripped right out. Yeah. You think this is gonna go? Oh, we're not dead yet. Oh, are we? Okay. There we go. flip her back around. Now let's see. Alright, bezel's starting to come off, which is good. Ah, come on. Whoops. Come on. Oh, on the bottom. Come on. Freedom! Woo! We're getting close. Okay, all the screws are out, so in theory, this thing, she'll just pop loose. Supposedly. That side's out, but the other side isn't. Hold on a minute. Aha! See that little connector right there? That's what was holding it. But I think we're free now. Unless something else happened. Nope, nothing else. Just a very picky inverter cable. Oh, there it is. Inverter power cable? I don't even know. Anyways, there it is. Free. Alright. Now, has that gotten us any closer to freedom here? Nothing. Why are you stuck? Hold on. Alright, the screen has been salvaged. This is an Innolux. Whereas, recall, last time we tore down a laptop, that one actually had a nice LG LCD in it. So, I don't know. More craptacular? Or maybe, because I know of no Innolux brand. But anyways, that's pretty neat. Let's continue on. There we go. CD, DVD, rewritable drive. And check that out. I didn't actually think this, but this is actually a SATA DVD drive, which means my theory might work. If you remember last time we did this, we just took the thing right apart and, yeah. Gives me an idea. I might actually be able to do something. Stay tuned. Same plastic as prior. PC plus ABS, FR40, whatever the heck that means. although PC plus ABS, polycarbonate plus ABS. Recycled sewer pipe and that too. Oh my goodness, guys, I think we finally have it. I found some snaps, like, right along the edge of this keyboard here. And... oh, come on, get out of there. It's so close. Aha! There we go. And with any luck... oh, there goes that. This connector just pops up and this pulls out. Holy, oh my goodness. Now I can finally see what's holding it in. Those bunch of screws right there. Perfect. Alright, got the last screw. And there we go. Run like sin. Okay. So let's see here. Got a little blower fan there. We'll take that out. Now, I wasn't quite sure how to start off this conversation, but, yeah, Arduino boards, or Arduino in the very case. Went to do a small little course on it. Had a blast. Was lots of fun. Kind of like a, you know, basics course of how to get started. It's not too hard to get into it, but it's kind of what is still stuck. Anyways, so you can get a free I could have gotten a free Arduino, possibly, if I, because how it worked was, they kind of taught us about how to get everything set up, what everything is, and did a quick LED blink circuit with us, and then they split us up into groups. Thing was fun, although my sticky typing is slow, so the code is C, but as you know, any coding involves typing, so if you're slow, you're kinda stuck. And we had an hour thereabouts to do it, and only got one project done. Got around, say maybe around 35 points thereabouts. So, but obviously we were one of the lower ranked teams, or you know, we might have been close, but still, gonna cost me $35 that thing, the Arduino board. That said, I actually do, if I actually do get the Arduino, genuine Arduino, not the Mega, Nano, Mini, or any of the Arduino clones, but still, stink snakes, man. Was fun, but anyways. Now this was interesting. This thing, just sitting right here. This is the SD card reader, and I think it'll also do memory stick, if I'm not mistaken. Now, memory stick, it's sort of the same as SD, but it's a little bit different shape now. It's not the oh, and it's also spring-loaded, even better. Now this is interesting. This is the Wi-Fi card. When I took it took the screen out, I saw this board. I was like, what is that? And the board is actually connected to this metal bit back here. Now, this is actually the antenna. Now, for an antenna, that is massive, but so then I guess I don't know what the bottleneck would be maybe the capacity of the Wi-Fi or something like that. We'll just take that out there. Also interesting, it is in an M.2 slot. Now, M.2, of course, something that SSDs can also take advantage of. So, this card could be replaced if you had the tech savviness. You might, if the pinouts are correct, you might be able to replace this Wi-Fi card with an SSD. But I'm not sure. Anyways, alright, here we go. Here's the sucker. Giving a little bit of a... being a little bit difficult on me. Now, as we can see, right in the middle there, that's where the Core i3, the Intel processor, would be. Now, I don't know if we can take that off, but interesting. I don't know if it was this way in the last PC that we took apart, but the CPU is here, the cooler is here. Now, saves space, but more expensive because you need this copper pipe here. Now, I don't know. Is it a pipe? Well, I guess so. Check this out. If I turn this little screw thing right here, I can actually take out the CPU. Awesome. That's cool. And might add, actually, yeah. Might actually mean that you could, in theory... If you could... If this isn't proprietary, this CPU socket right here, this isn't proprietary, you very likely could be replacing your laptop CPU. That's pretty interesting. Alright. Let's get cleaned up. Start testing some things. Alright, we'll test the DVD drive first. Now, stung me many times before. So many times that I remember not to do this, but not in this case. Stung me again because this stinking connector here, it looks like it's SATA. Can you see that there? Yeah. That looks like it's SATA, but it's actually not. The SATA connector for the data is SATA, but the power connector is actually different. So, gosh darn, don't you just love proprietary nonsense? Ah, shoot. Anyways, got the ATX power supply. Going to tap off 5 volts and ground from these two wires right here. They will go to, I looked at a picture online of the pinout of this connector here, and it turns out that it just takes 5 volts and ground to power up the DVD drive. So here we go. Stick those two in there, and let's give it a test. Kinda reorientate myself here. Okay, there we go. Alright. So that is ground, and let's just make sure real quick. Alright, Indian idiot check has been done. So, if 5 volts, or ground rather, goes there, and 5 volts goes there. Oh. Ooh, that didn't seem good. Well, darn it. On that sad note. Oh, that's actually 5 volts, okay. We'll switch to running something we know will work, at least I think. The fan. So if I say 5 5 volts goes there. And alright. 5 volts. And ground goes there. Ha! It's working. Nice. There we go. Anyways, guys, I think we can wrap up the episode there. Hope you enjoyed this second laptop teardown with, unfortunately, still not a working DVD drive. I'll break free at some point. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.